it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding.
Good morning, family. Welcome back to the channel. Look, it is Saturday morning. I'm up early. It's 8 a.m. and I'm up here at Meineke getting ready to get my oil changed. We got a busy day today, so I needed to get out early. Just wanted to check in with you guys real quick. Thank you for always coming and showing up and showing out for your girl and clicking on this video. If you're new here, I'm Adrian. And I hope that you would like to stay here for a while, all right? We kicks it, we have fun, and all those good things, all right? So look, I'll holler at y'all in a minute. I'm gonna take y'all with me all day today. All right, peace.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this.
Oh, look at you, Aubrey. Oh, they're so friendly. Oh. Did you rub them up? Is it girl or boy? I don't know.
This one's a girl, this one's a boy.
Okay. Oh.
She's so sweet.
Look at her. She's just staring at him.
You like She's like, okay. Now
Y'all, they got me out here at Tanger. Well, I'm gonna be good today. I'm gonna be good today. Don't listen to her. She is a bad influence. Ain't nobody in there at all though? Oh dang, when they, hold on. Y'all see my stove, don't y'all? Oh, the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. We can go in there.
Existing, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play. She'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
Hey Maddie, how you doing? No, she didn't. I said, hey. How you doing? How y'all doing? All right. Girl, I told you I don't need to be in this store at all. I need to look around. Girl. I will, but I will tell you this is right here. Forgot the name of her, but it's a green one. You said green? Yeah. Family, y'all would be proud. Can y'all believe I just walked out of this store and didn't buy nothing? God is good. God is great. The discipline it took for me to walk up out of there and not get them wine claws that go with that purse that I showed y'all. But I'm gonna come back and get them. I got a birthday coming up, so we're gonna snag them. I'll show it to y'all when I do.
I'm proud of you. Yeah.
Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night.
You eating ketchup? Is it good, Aubrey? It's good.
It's the best thing.
Yeah. And a one horse what? Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. You was just there. You was just singing it. Do y'all remember this? How old are you to remember this candy? Put it in the comments. Let me know. Old school. Family, come vinyl digging with me at Shangri-La Records in Memphis. Yes, I love this place. I'm going to be through hip-hop, jazz, rock, R&B because I listen to it all, baby. Yes, and I'm flipping, and I'm finding classics. And I know I'm taking something home with me today. So look at all these legends. If you know, you know. Yes, baby. So I got me some Sade, Donna Summers, Stevie, and the MJ. Come through.
Never get it wrong, it's always right. Waking the plate, being the plate, she is on a roll.
Happy Saturday, family. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I said let me record this before I get them out of the yard. Y'all see all these mushrooms in my grass? I mean, there goes some over there. I got my shovel in a bag, so I'm gonna get them up. I don't really be, I mean, I got gloves. I could probably just pull them, but I always use the shovel just to make sure I kind of get it from the root or whatever. But I know they say in planting and gardening, if you got mushrooms in your soil, that means you got good soil. But I'm not sure why these mushrooms, this one back there too. I don't know if y'all can see it. I done went out instead of getting y'all closer. I'll go back there when I do it. But anyways, you can clearly see these. Yeah, I'm gonna get these out. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. I'm not gonna do nothing but just take the shovel. I'm trying to do it and record at the same time. And normally they just pop right up. I'm trying not to mess up my grass, so I'll just do it. I can't do it with one hand. I need to stick the corner of the shovel in there to get it. But anyways, happy Saturday. I hope you all are having a blessed day, and I'll call y'all back in a minute. All right, y'all, I got all of them out. You can see the little holes in the yard. So, yeah, I need to look that up and see what does that mean. Why these big old mushrooms keep growing in my backyard? But anyways, y'all, got them up. Hey, family. So real quick, wanted to show you my Costco haul from yesterday. I did not take you all with me because I was just trying to run in and out. It was after work, so I just wanted to get in there real quick. So happy to see this back in stock. My blue agave. It is a great price for the two. I believe it's $8.99 for a 2-pack. So because I don't go to Costco every month, I decided to just go ahead and stock up and grab two because I do use a lot of agave. I also repurchased some chia seeds. I hope I don't already have these. And I'm going to be so mad if I go look in my closet and see I already bought a new bag of chia seeds. But anyways, the grapeseed oil was on sale. It was a great price for this size, so I had to grab it. I believe it was on sale for $11.99. Also, I eat a lot of granola. And I don't think I've had this brand before, but I'm not sure if I've ever had this probiotic granola. And you can see right there what it has in it: wheat, spelt, almonds, quinoa, and amaranth. So I wanted to try that one. My Sam's Club has not been selling Beyond Burgers. I do enjoy my plant-based Beyond Burgers when I don't feel like making any walnut meat or anything like that. So I did grab 2 of these. Like I said, Sam's Club has not had them, and I'm not sure why. But anyways, I say that because there is a Sam's Club around the corner from where I live here in Mississippi. However, there's no Costco in Mississippi, so I do have to go to Memphis to get those. And I always keep frozen blueberries. That's my favorite smoothie. I can't tell you the last time I made a smoothie that did not include frozen blueberries. So I got another bag, although I did just purchase a bag from Sam's Club, but I have to stay stocked up on these. And it was a better price for these at Costco for a bigger bag than it was for Sam's Club. So, and I think that's all I got from Costco. If I forgot anything, then I will show you all later. Family, I did forget something. Bought this 6-pack of distilled white vinegar. It was only $7 for 6 64-ounce bottles. So yeah, that was the last thing I purchased from Costco. Hey family, welcome back. I am in my office. I'm out of the yard. I done got the mushrooms up out of there, baby. Them things was ugly. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. I'm Adrian. If you're new here, thank you for coming and kicking it with your girl. And I appreciate all of you that continue to come and show up and show out for me, okay? We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. If you've been here for a minute, you know I struggle sometimes when I say that subscribers. I don't know. For some reason, that's a problem for me. But anyways, we are on our way to 1K of them. We are on our way to 1K. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you a penny. Free 99. Okay? All right. Enough of that. Y'all, I'm sitting in my office. Got my smoothie. Y'all know I love me a good blueberry, pineapple, and banana smoothie. And I'm finishing up my Bible tabs on my Bible. Y'all, I'm in love. I love it. It is beautiful. And yeah, I'm going to show y'all. Y'all want to see? Okay. All right, family. So, look. Aren't they gorgeous? And they match my Bible so good. Look at that. Yeah. So I am almost done. I have these left. And they gave you some blank ones. I don't really know what I would put on a blank one. But what I got? 9 books left to add and I'll be done. So I will show you. Well, I mean, I don't really need to come back and show you the finished product because it's pretty much done. But I just really wanted to show y'all how it looked and how well I was able to match my tabs up with the color of my Bible. So I'm very happy about this. And for those of you who don't know, like, you use this little guide right here and you would put it right here. I mean, I kind of just eyeball how far down to come from the page. You can see that. Eyeball it. Then you put it there. And then whichever one you just did, like right now, if you look at it, I'm trying to show y'all. So if you look at it, the last book that I put on here should have been right here. I'm trying to get it, y'all. So I don't know what that is on my hand, y'all. I'm working around the house, so excuse again any ash. All right, so this is the last book I put on here. So that would be the first one, right? So then you just come over here and your next one would be this one. And all you do is just make sure you line this up with the edge of the page. That way you can kind of keep an idea of, so they can be in order. Be lined up real good. And that's how you make them look like this, girl. All right, y'all, let me finish this and then I'll come back. All right, family, I am done. They look so good. And I'm not sure if I even showed you before, but if you look close on each Bible, on each book, it tells you what that book is about. So for Genesis, you see it says creation. I know it didn't just pop up in this video. Don't embarrass me. But anyways, it says creation. You see Exodus says liberation and so forth and so on. Yep, so that's that. And let me show you. This is my new desk mat. It says, be still and know that I am God. Psalms 46:10. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick, and I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Family, just wanted to show you like what is normal for me on the weekends. So I'm washing, and a lot of my clothes I hang up. All of my graphic tees and, like I said, most of my stuff I hang up to dry. And yeah, I had all of these that needed to be washed and hung up. So here's my Adidas jacket. I hang that up as well. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, like, this is my guest bathroom, and this is where I would hang up everything. It's the best rack because it's the only option that I really have. But yeah, so we got my darks. My darks, because I only have black, white, green. Of course, you're gonna see a little sprinkle of color because that's the Detroit Lions. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you all. I don't know. I know some people who don't hang up anything in everybody's situation, and it's their prerogative to do it how they do it. But for me, I learned that for me personally, my shirts, my t-shirts, my graphic tees, because I am a graphic tee fiend. Like, I just absolutely love graphic tees. And I find that they last so much longer when I hang them up instead of drying them. So, all right.
What I do